But before we go into the production proper, let me take you through some safety precautions you need to take as you do this production. Do not make the preparation near naked flames or fire. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Please make sure you keep to these instructions in order to avoid any hazard. Now let's go through the list of materials needed for this production. Number 1 is compact. Number 2 is eucalyptus oil. Number 3 is camphor. Number 4 is kerosene. And number 5 is isopropyl alcohol, also known as IPA. Number 6 is color. Please note that the solvent used for this preparation is kerosene. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce 1 liter of insecticide. Compact 100 ml. Eucalyptus oil 150 ml. Camphor a tablespoon. Kerosene 1 liter. Isopropyl alcohol, also known as IPA 150 ml. And color 3 grams. Now let me introduce you to these chemicals one by one and we'll go into the mixing of the chemicals. In this bottle I have a mixture of compact and eucalyptus oil. Now the chemical shop attendant had already mixed these two chemicals from the shop together. The first one and the second one, that is the compact and the eucalyptus oil in this container. Now eucalyptus oil is used as an effective ingredient in mosquito repellent. Now this is camphor and this is kerosene, also known as lamp oil. This is isopropyl alcohol, also known as IPA, and this is the color we're going to use. And this is the insecticide container. This is our mixing bowl. Now we're going to pour the mixture of eucalyptus oil and compact into the mixing bowl. And now we're going to add the camphor to it and stir it. We will now pour the kerosene into it. And also, we're going to add the isopropyl alcohol, IPA, to it now. And now we're going to add our color to it. Ensure you stir properly to have a homogeneous solution. Now our insecticide is ready for use. So thank you very much for watching and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.